How to freeze your fifth third bank account. First of all, if you suspect fraud or want to temporarily stop all transactions on your account, freezing your fifth third bank account is a good step. Next, open your browser and visit the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Then, log into your online banking account using your user ID and password. After that, navigate to the security section where you may find an option to freeze or temporarily lock your account or debit card. If you don't see this option online, you can contact Fifth Third Bank customer service through the website's secure messaging or call them for assistance in freezing your account. Alternatively, visit your nearest Fifth Third Bank branch and ask a representative to help you freeze your account immediately. Once your account is frozen, no new transactions or withdrawals will be processed until you decide to unfreeze it. And that's it. Now you know how to freeze your Fifth Third Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.